Hi, and thank you for your interest in Our Lady of Perpetual Help School. My name is Matt Malone, and I am the principal of our school, and welcome to our community. We recognize that choosing a school for your child is a great task, and we hope that the information that you find on our website and in all of our interactions with our staff here at our school and our admissions department can help provide for you all of the information that you need to help make a good decision for your child and your family. One thing that makes our school unique is that everything that we do here is rooted in our Catholic faith. Our students begin each day with prayer, and it's woven in and throughout all things that take place here at our school. Our students prepare for their sacraments here at school, and our priests partner with different grades as they continue to develop and grow in their relationship with God throughout their time at school. And finally, as our students progress through our program, they engage with our academic content with a Catholic worldview. Our academic program is based on the Archdiocesan and state standards, which offers an approach that is both individualized and differentiated according to the needs of the students in the classroom. Teachers are free to use a variety of methods and resources to challenge their students to reach new heights in their learning. We have high expectations for our students, and our teachers and support staff work hand in hand with our parents to help our students reach those expectations. Some of our support staff include a reading specialist, school counselor, school nurse, instructional assistants in our younger grades, and a Marian program for students with diagnosed learning differences. As a lifelong member of Our Lady of Perpetual Help community, I have only wonderful things to say about how awesome it is. From the dedicated members of our parish community who pray and give of themselves to us every single day, to our wonderful, dedicated staff who tirelessly give of themselves to come up with creative ways to engage our students on a daily basis, to our awesome parents who go above and beyond and give of themselves to our students and our teachers and share their talents with our community. Finally, to our students who show up every day on campus with smiles on their faces, ready to learn and share the gifts that God has given with each other and with our community. It takes all of us working together to make OLPH the great place that it is.